Hi. Have you ever wanted to feel more energy and vitality in your body? Here's a very simple exercise from the Zhan Zhuang Gong Qigong system that helps to grow the stamina and the power inside your body. It's called Golden Rooster Stands on one leg, and I'll show you how to do the exercise. To breathing, you just breathe in normally while you stand in the posture, because you're going to stay in the posture for a while. Just breathe in and out normally, yeah. Good. And then bring the foot down. There you go. And that's the posture. And as I say, you can stand 30 seconds or a minute in that posture. It creates more stamina, more strength in your body. It creates vital energy, and it activates all the meridians in your legs. It's a very, very powerful exercise. Cheers.